his baby brother.
Olivia.
Look at Daddy.
You say hi to Grandma Iris.
Hi.
Say hi to Grandpa Kevin.
Baby, put it. I should get your milk.
Yeah. He looks just like Olivia did when Olivia was a baby.
No.
Yeah, be gentle, okay? Rub his face with the side of your finger, okay? Not with your nail, with the side of your finger. There you go.
Alright, it's almost midnight in Hackensack, New Jersey, and I'm on E-Trade looking to
You give him kisses.
Check this out. I just bought 200 shares of Shangdao Energy.
Good job, baby.
Stock exchange in Hong Kong. I mean, how cool is that? Shangdao Energy.
You're gonna keep him warm. That's what they got him in the little blanket, huh? He's a little burrito wrap.
Global market. Get 1,000 new accounts a day at E-Trade.